Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will learn how to create a simple game by using HTML and CSS. So let's start. So here I have created a directory. You can see here game1, and inside this I have a directory img, and you see there is a one file. Let me open this one. You see this is a bg.jpg, and I will be using this file as a background of that game. And I have created a html file, and I will be writing all my code inside this html only. And here there is one bg as of now, but I will be using some more images so that we will have the complete output as a it looks like as a game. So let me copy some default HTML template here. So from here I am copying so that it save our time. And this is my channel name, right to learn. So let's put this title and open this file by using the browser. But I am using Chrome. Okay, and now delete this one, this p for now. Delete this p tag and put here the game 1. Okay, and make it like this. Inside HTML you have this body, then you have this. So I have made this HTML file a bit readable. Okay, so game1 you can see. So now I can add the background image here. So how you can add? You can add by using background img in your image. Okay, so let's refresh this one. You see I had only one image, but it is coming 1 2 3 4 times it is coming. Okay, so 2 times coming. And if you make your browser view less, then you will see multiple images coming. That means image is being repeated. So how you can remove this one? You can remove, let's add the class here. Class, put the class img, any name you want, but for now I am adding img bg, and I will write the css code here for the okay. So dot this class and repeat background, repeat no repeat. I don't want to repeat the background. Okay, control F5 here and reload. You can reload, and this one is now you see the background is coming with the text game1. Okay, and add here the class header, heading. Okay, and you can write this. You can style this heading like I want to the color of this yellow, font weight I want bolder. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's refresh the changes and you see the changes. Okay, and also I want the padding so that it come in the center. Padding left 25%. Okay, the percentage you can change here like as per your screen size, like 25%, 20, 30, whatever you need. Okay, and now if you reduce the screen size, yeah, increase, you see only one image. Okay, now I want, you see the road here, I want to run on this road a few animals. Okay, So let's come to Google and search for dog GIF image. Running dog I want. Running dog GIF. And which types of image I want? The transparent one, so that it fits totally with this background. So this one is a transparent. Okay, so let me check for any other one. Okay, so this is, you see this one is running speedily, so I want a slow movement, so I will be using this one. So you see under game I am downloading this image, so let's make it dog. Okay, and here I will put some line break, and after that I will add that image I just downloaded. So to add image you will have the img tag, then src, have this, then I want this dog. Okay, so this way you can add any image by using img src. Okay, and to put any image under background we have to use background. Refresh here, and now you see your dog is running. Okay, but it is running on the same place, you don't see any movement. It is running but it is not going forward. So in HTML there is a tab you can use to scroll the like image or text. So I'll be using this marquee tag, and let's try whether it is going forward or not. And now you see right side, from right side it is coming right to left. Okay, so for marquee you also see the some attributes, like it has a direction attribute. Direction you can put right. What does that mean? That means whatever is written under this marquee will be go from left to right. Okay, so let's check whether it is working or not. Yes, now you see it is going from left to right. Okay, and also I want the width of that marquee to end with this background. I don't want this dog to go out of background, so we have to adjust the width of this marquee. The width here, let's make it 800 px. Let the dog. Okay, so this is ending here, but I need more width, so let's make it at 900 and let the dog coming. Okay, dog is coming, and I have added here the 900. Let's check whether it is touching the end of the background or not. If not, I will increase, and okay, so I have to increase this. So let's make it 950. Let's make it 1000 itself. I am making 1000. Okay, it is going out, so I will be reducing bit. So let's make it 980. Okay, so I am here, so I will be using width here. Either you can write here 980. Yeah, you can add the class 980. Let's refresh the page and see. Okay, and I also want this this dog, you see it is running above this mountain, but I want this dog to be run here on this road. So let's reduce this 580 by 20. So let's make it 950. Okay, and refresh again, and you see the changes. And I want this dog to be go down. Okay, so this one is the image. Okay, so now you see that marquee width is coming properly now. So I will add the class here, the dog. So dog class, and I will be using margin to go it from top to bottom. Dog margin top 400 px. Let's check it, see whether it is coming. Is it coming or not? Okay, now you see it is coming out of background. So let's make it 300. Refresh this page. Now you see it is coming on, it is running on the roadside. Reduce by 20, let's make it 280, so that it runs on the left side of the road, not on the right side. Okay, so now it is running in the center. So let's let it be in the center itself and try to add more dog animal. So next time I will be adding cat. So search for the cat. Okay, this cat, this is not transparent background, and this one no, this is not a GIF image. This one, yes. So let's use this one itself. So save this inside your img directory of your project cat, and copy the same and change the name, also change the class, and now you refresh this page. Refresh, and you see your cat is also running, but it is of very higher in size. So remove the height, adjust the height, like let's make it 50 px, and you see it is getting very smaller. So let's make it 100. Yeah, I think 100 is fine. So let's make it the height 100 of cat. So I already have added here the cat class, so I have to use that class. Okay, and I have written the css height equal to 100 px. Okay, now you see the cat is running, then the dog is running in his mode. Okay, and I want one more. I will be using rat. Okay, so rat, search for the transparent one, and the same direction it should go left to right. Okay, so only this one is coming with transparent background. So use this one, save it with rat. Okay, copy paste, make it rat, also add the class rat, and also add here if you, in case you will require any css change. Okay, so refresh here, and you see the rat is coming, but it is in higher length and width. So I want this rat to be width, oops, height, let's height, make it 50 px, so that it remain in a smaller size. Also I want to reduce the width, so make it 100 px. I want to reduce more, make it 85. Okay, so I will be using this one. So 85 is not looking good, let's make it 90 plus, let it be on 100. Okay, so I'll be using here, paste whatever the CSS we have written for this under this red class. Okay, now you see your first game is ready. So you have created a game where cat, dog and rats are running. Rat is running, cat is running, then both these are followed by dog, and all are running on the road. if you want to add also some text here like the dog, with the dog you can also do that. Okay, so for that you have to put here the dog, refresh and check whether it is coming or not. Okay, you see the first dog is coming, then you see your cat, so I will also write here the cat, and here I will also write the rat. Okay, refresh again, you see the rat is coming, then the cat is coming, then the dog is coming. Okay, in case you want to style this word, you can also do that. So make it a span tag and dog, this, copy this for all and change the text. This one is rat, this one is cat. Okay, if you want to write the css of this, you can also do that. So I have using only one span, I will be using tag itself. Okay, color, this, let's use the aqua colors, and you see your aqua color. Now I want this, so the first name is coming, then it is followed by the image name. So thank you for watching, and you will find the code link inside the video description itself, and if you want to try at your end, you can try. You can learn everything mentioned here from the Google, yeah, any HTML, like you can use the marquee, uh, how this direction work, how you can add width here, how to write a style, how to add title here, you can learn. Thank you for watching.